Hey, user intent or keyword? Which one to choose? As a topic. In fact, I'd like to share that user intent is a thing uh, that end user are looking for, and keywords are the thing they are actually searching with a term. So for content writing, which one is more important? Keywords or user intent? So I would say while you are choosing say keywords, you do not have much opportunity to expand your content. So we should rather focus on say user intent. So when I am focusing on user intent, I like to actually write content giving more information about say what they are exactly looking for. For an example, say 7 Boats info system. We are a digital marketing company. So if people are looking for say our academic course, 7 Boats Academy, they are looking for say digital marketing course in Kolkata, digital marketing training in Kolkata. So this is a particular keyword. So people are searching with those keywords. So in that case, I understand that people are looking for my course, and then again I'm writing my content accordingly, actually using those keywords to draw visitors to my website. But the thing is that I do not have much opportunity to expand that content. So if I focus more on say user intent rather than focusing on say keywords, so I will have the opportunity to give more details about my course. So what are those more details? Those more details are about. Like I can give details about my say say price of my course. What are the course modules I cover? Where is my course training happening? The location and other details. So these all things accumulated, I can fit in more details, and that with natural approach, I will write the content naturally. So this will engage more and more people with my content, and this will help my website to rank better because it will interact more intimately with my end user. Thank you.